channel, and if you're new, then welcome. Today's video is going to be my furnished apartment tour finally. This video is long overdue. I've already been here for 6 months, but I just don't have everything decorated the way I want to. But it's definitely furnished. So this is my little entryway. This is my front door. Nothing to see here. But this is my living room. Okay, y'all, so these little end tables that I have on the end of my couch, I got these off of Amazon, and I also got this glass table off of Amazon as well. And this couch is like a three-piece sofa set, and I got it from a store here where I live. I think it's called Furniture Central. Yeah. And these pillows, some of these came from, well, this one came from Big Lots. My mom bought this pillow. She actually bought me a lot of pillows, and like whichever ones I didn't want, I gave to my sister. So these pillows right here, this one and those little pink ones came from Target, and they actually came out the kids section, y'all. So they have like ears on them, and I just always tuck them back like that. I was gonna cut them off, but I never did. So yeah, and this little carpet, I wish it was bigger, but it also came out the kids section as well. So yeah, and I painted this at a little sip and paint. I thought it was real cute, and I just needed something to put on this table, so I just threw that there. And I actually had a real orchid plant, but it died. It was just too much maintenance. So yeah, my mama got me this one from Burlington's. And yeah, oh, these big pillows also came from Target, and y'all, pillows are expensive. These pillows were $30 each, and then I think the small one was $15. But yes, one of my favorite things is like the windows though, and like the patio. I like to open all my blinds, and I be sitting in here like I'm in my living room most of the time, more than I am my bedroom. I just love the natural sunlight and the, you know, open space. And this lamp I got from Home Goods. I think this plant came from there as well. It's just so cute to me, y'all. I love it. And that's pretty much it with the living room. Like, my patio's out there, but it's not decorated. And this little area is actually my dining room area. But of course, I needed somewhere to like do my wigs and record my videos and stuff. So I just set this little area up so I could do that type of stuff. And I have like all my makeup stored in those top 3 bins. I sound out of breath, y'all. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I got these things from Target. It's actually 2 of them. So that one's like by itself, and then that one's like conjoined. And yeah, everything else over here I got from Amazon. All my ring lights, my mannequin heads, the mannequin stand. So if y'all interested in any of that stuff, Amazon is everything. Amazon is everything. I think this table was like $100-something, and I think those little tables were $20, and they were really easy to put together. But if anybody's interested in them, just comment down below, and I'll leave a link to whatever I can find. And so over here, don't mind all my mail, is leading into my kitchen. Nothing much to show y'all in here, honestly. My theme is like a little blue color. And I got these knives from Big Lots, the pan from Big Lots. I actually have another one. I thought it was just so cute. Yeah, that's pretty much it in here. But this pretty much is my kitchen. And then in here is the little laundry area. And here's my laundry area. Nothing special. My sister let me have this washer and dryer, so I was so happy about that, y'all, because baby, I was not about to buy a washer and dryer. So yeah, that's it with my kitchen. And then this is like my little piece of wannabe hallway space right here. And I guess I'll show y'all my bathroom first. So this is the bathroom. Give y'all a 360. So yeah, all this stuff came off Amazon too. The shower curtain, it actually says get naked, which you have to like stretch that a little bit so you can see. But yeah, it says get naked. And the floor mats, the garbage can, the plunger with the toilet scrubber, all that came off of Amazon. This chair came off of Amazon. And the scale down there came off Amazon. So yeah, I just got like my face stuff and all my skincare products up here, some lashes and stuff. And this little set came off Amazon as well. I thought this was so cute and so girly, y'all. Yeah, and then I also got this soap dispenser off of Amazon as well. I thought it was just real cute and classy looking. So yeah, and then over here is my bathroom closet. So yeah, just, you know, got stuff in there. And then this this door actually leads into my closet, and then that door leads over into my room. So this was my favorite thing about the whole apartment when I was looking at the layouts. And so coming out the bathroom, we have my room. Now my room is the least decorated how I want it to be, you guys. So I'm really pressed about that. But it's okay. This is my favorite area of my room. I love the big window and I love the natural sunlight. I love this area. But most of this furniture in my room I took from my mom's house. So yeah. My bed I bought off of Wayfair, and my lamp over here, I thought this little design was really cute. I got this from Home Goods as well. I thought this was really cute. And I also painted this. Me and my sister came over for a sip and paint at my house. I just didn't have nowhere to put it. I thought there was an okay spot. And then I got these little floating shells, I think from like Family Dollar, y'all. And I printed this picture out and put it in a little frame. I got this from Home Goods. And I also got this cute little perfume bottle from Home Goods too. It's really heavy, it's glass. So I was really surprised that these little cheap shells didn't break down yet. And then I also got this mirror from Home Goods as well. Down here's my vision board. If y'all seen my little vlog, y'all seen when I was making this. But yeah. Oh, and here's the door over into my closet. Ain't showing y'all all my stuff. But you guys, that's pretty much it.